Red Bull aren't standing still, Lewis Hamilton and company. Given grim update as Overhaul project faces mighty risk. Just when you thought that perhaps good days are ahead for Mercedes and Lewis Hamilton, you'd be quite wrong. With the past 2 years being seasons to forget for everyone on the team, the upcoming season also doesn't come without a shadow of a doubt. As the Overhaul project of Mercedes faces a mighty risk, Lewis Hamilton and Toto Wolff receive an unfortunate update regarding the 2024 season. The 2023 F1 season is arguably the worst for Lewis Hamilton and Toto Wolff. Considering that Hamilton has never really failed to win an F1 race, besides the 2022 and 2023 seasons should be enough to tell you how bad Mercedes' current project is. Moreover, with Red Bull having a considerable advantage over their arch-rivals, is the upcoming season also doomed for the poor Silver Arrows? In the recent podcast episode of ESPN's Unlapped, Katie George and Lawrence Edmondson sat down and discussed the future of Mercedes and what risks they might face. However, unfortunately for any Silver Arrow fan listening to them, things aren't looking that great for you guys. With the team already expected to finish the 2023 season winless, Edmondson delved deep into when the fans can expect to get a clear picture of Mercedes' 2024 season. Lawrence Edmondson also provided a throwback to a saying from James Allison, Mercedes F1 technical director. According to Allison, working on the concept of a car is somewhat similar to climbing a mountain. He further stated, but then that's all well and good, and you get to the peak and you see where you ultimately have got to. But if you decide halfway through actually we got the wrong concept, and look over the horizon you see a tall mountain, you want to start climbing that, well that's all well and good, your eventual point may be higher up, but you got to go all the way down and start climbing all the way back up again.